Wanting to set up DeepSeek for Janitor AI on phone? I got you, bro. First, go to the openrouter.ai website and sign up. Click at the 3 lines, then click Keys. Then create API key. After creating key, copy it and save in Notes so you don't lose it. Go to janitor.ai, choose your character, click at the 3 lines, click API settings, and click proxy, then scroll down. Paste the key from the openrouter.ai. After that, go to the openrouter.ai again, click at the 3 dots and then models. Search DeepSeek. Then click here. After that, select the link but not the whole thing. Only select the shown part in the screen, just like this. Then go to Janitor AI and pass the link in the model. Then save settings. And just like that, you're done. Thanks for watching.